Noah.
What are you doing?
We're doing the Diet Coke. Then Mentos, and then it's a big Coke thing. My turn next.
All right, go. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Emma, and I'm just gonna watch.
Cooper, you okay? Go over there. Who are you? No, I can't hear.
I'm really excited. I love this.
But you like being outside, you said?
No, he said he really loves this.
Okay, you guys ready? And I'm Dad.
Hold
I'm here for safety.
Be careful. It could be a
Okay, so are you gonna
No,
do this?
you have to like. You have to like do that. Okay, put it, and I'll tell you when we do it. And you gotta put it right under.
Cooper, go see what they're doing.
So.
Go see what they're doing, Coop. No, that one.
Set. Go. Okay, now ready?
Here, hold on, let me put it on the corner of the board.
It does have to go in.
Under? You guys ready? Yeah!
All right, Noah, come here. Tell me what you think.
What do you think?
I think it's pretty cool. That it gets
Oh my
like,
god, the whole thing's almost gone.
That was awesome!
Yeah. Have some.
Cooper, what do you think?
Awesome.
Cooper, look. Oh, Noah.
Mmm, tasty.
Can I try?
Cooper, what'd you think? Look at me. Coop.
Yeah.
Cooper,
Untasted.
what did you think about that Mentos experiment?
Can I ask another question? Okay, it actually tasted pretty good when you like loaded in a drink. It actually tasted pretty
Gigs,
good.
what did you think about it?
It tastes great.
No, about the experiment.
They were super.